Okay, hey, so I have downloaded SalsaJ and I unzipped the file. Here it is here. I've also downloaded these photos called Photos Transit from the Google Doc. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to open SalsaJ. So click it, takes a few seconds. Okay, so I don't care about the license. What I want to do is open some pictures of stars. So file open. Takes a few seconds. Now mine is already in the right folder because I've been playing around with it, but it should come to I guess wherever you've got SalsaJ or maybe not, but you've got to find the Photos Transit that you downloaded. Okay, so here's mine. Forget about this first file here. There's 20 photos in here. I want to select them all. So if I go click the first one. If I hold Shift and click the last one, that opens them all. I push Open, and it's going to open all those things. Now, these pictures of stars, you can see three little stars there. I want to have all of these side by side. So if I go Window and then Tile, it'll put them all side by side. Great. Okay. Some of these are not very bright. I can't really see on this first one, the star. So what I'll do is if I go Image and adjust the brightness, I get this thing here. If I click on the first one, I just need to push Auto, and you watch this first one here to sharpen up. Cool. So I can see those three bright stars still, but there's a few more stars that are coming to not so much focus, but I can see them a bit better. If I do that with all of them, I'm just going to quickly click on all of them and then click Auto. Click Auto. Now there's 20 images, so this will just take a few seconds. I can't work out a way to do this faster, but it'll only take about 30 seconds. So clicking through them all, Auto, 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 Auto. I mean, this one definitely, I can hardly see that. This one here as well. Oh, where'd you go? Auto, 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 Auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth one from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you are. Auto. Great. Okay. So I can get rid of that now. Now I get rid of my SalsaJ. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at the light given off by each of these stars. So each of these images, I think, is taken 14 minutes apart. I have to be, I'm not quite sure of that, but I'll check. Anyway, they are taken at different times. And I want to see how much light was given off each star. So to do that, we're going to analyze. And what we're doing is photometry, but we've just got to do some settings first. Photometry means looking at the photos, basically. Some science of looking at the photos. So the settings first I want to do and set this up. I want to force the star radius, and I want it to be 7. It's 7 pixels. So I want the star to be no more than 7 pixels, and I want to force the sky to be 37. Don't ask me where I got those from. I looked at something else, and it gave me those to go with for now. So they're good. Click that down there. And so now I've done my photometry settings. I'm going to do photometry. So it comes up with this empty box here. I need to click on my first star picture. I'm going to make it bigger. So if I push the maximize button, it comes up to a nice big size here. And there's 3 main stars that we're going to be looking at. So we've got this one here. On the right, there's this one here. That's star 2. And down the bottom is star 3. The reason we want to look at 3, this first one is the one apparently with the exoplanet around it. That white thing's not the exoplanet, that's another star. We can't see the exoplanet with our eyes. We're going to do some analysis. We want to look at 2 other planets, 2 other stars to get a good calibration. You know what? No, let's just do 2 stars. Let's just do star 1 here, and this is star 2. So we're just going to click right in the middle of the star. We're going to find where the middle of it is, and we're going to click. So let's just click right in the middle. There we go. And see, it records the data there, and importantly, the star's intensity. That's how bright that star is, or how much light it gave off in that photo. Then we're going to click our second star. We're just going to do 2 stars, this one here, right in the middle of that. Brilliant, and it recorded it there. Okay, I'm finished with that. Put it back over there. Now I'm going to go to this, the second image, and I'm going to do those same 2 stars. 1, 2. I could even minimize it if I want to, get it out of the way completely. Now I'm going to go to the third image. It doesn't matter if it looks a bit white. It's still got the stars there. Star 1, star 2. Great. I'm going to go through each one like that. So I'll just pause the video, and I will finish that, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, I'm just doing my last one now. Star 1, star 2. That just took about 2 minutes to get through all of those images. Cool. So now I've got all of my data here. 40 because there was 20 images, and in each image I did 2 stars. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save that now. Save that data. So save as. This is my first attempt. Photometry. You can call it whatever you want. Exo-Planet data. Something like that. We'll get better at naming stuff soon, but for now, just whatever. And I save that. And that's the end of this video. In the next one, we'll start analyzing that data that we've saved.